What is going on, YouTube family? It's your boy, Titanic Feet Jack, back at you again with another video. And of course, I got that heat on deck, baby. We down here in the booth where it gets hot. I got heat on heat on heat. But before we get into that, I'd like to send a shout out to the TF gang. What's going on with y'all out there? Let me know how y'all feeling. Drop a comment. Let me know how y'all feeling. And if this is your first time seeing one of my videos and you want to become part of the TF gang family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit it. And also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video here on YouTube. And I need everybody. When I say everybody, the people in the back, your cousin in the other room, her little bad little boy that your uncle babysitting, I need everybody to smash that like button. If you got a phone, a tablet, a Kindle e-reader, a Nook, a Bluetooth Surface, or even on your gaming system, you have YouTube on that, you have smart TV capability, go ahead and smash that like button and watch this video. Now, getting into today's sneaker, I wanted this sneaker so bad, and when it released, I was literally asleep. I was in my bed asleep. I woke up to a text message from one of my partners, Ashley Larry. Shout out to Ashley Larry. That's my homie right there. And he tried to get my size for me, but he was unsuccessful. But he was able to get his size, so I was happy he was able to get his size. But I was literally asleep and missed out. Lo and behold, I was on my little route as I do, picking up the 5 red faux, and I went in one store and I asked because they were not on display. Excuse me, they weren't on display, and I said, "Yeah, you got no shoes left?" He says, "What size you need?" I told him 14. He said, "Yeah, we got a 13 and a 14, but my eyes got big." And he went in the back. He took a little while. I started to get concerned that maybe they didn't have it. But when he came from the back with this box right here, oh, I could have jumped for joy. It was like, oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. So you see the box. This the box he brought me. You got a cardboard brown Nike box. Black Nike lettering. Go ahead and read the box. It says Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air CMFT BBS color new orchid lime blast black, size 14, personal pair, price $150 US. Yeah, new orchid lime and blast black. Yes, Lord. Let's go ahead and take these out of the box. Looking inside the box. Oh, we got us a lot number sticker. We got that sticker. Go ahead and sit this box aside. We got this wrapper in here. We got the Wings logo in here. Comes with this. Says AJ1 Zoom Air CMFT basis, discussing this silhouette. Got a few numbers on here. Not sure what they mean. I didn't take this out of the box and read it just yet. It tells you about the collar of the shoe. So I guess this gives you information about how the shoe is constructed. Let's go ahead and sit this on the side as well. Looking at the paper. Let's see. We got a bunch of Yeah, we got a lot of small ends on the paper. Let's get the shoe out. Yes, we got the Jordan 1 Bayou Boys. This how we do it down south. We from the Bayou. Look at that. Y'all see that print on there, huh? Yes. Had to get these. Yes. I'm going to get the other shoe out of the box. We're going to sort this all out. I'm going to give y'all that 360 review like I do here on this channel. And we're going to get into discussing this fine specimen we have right here in my hand. the Bayou Boys ones, and I got them in my size, personal pair. Getting into the upper of the shoe, we have some animal print leather in the color of New Orchid. You got, and it's pretty soft and tumble. This is a nice, oh goodness, this is a nice shoe in hand. You got that New Orchid leather in animal print around your ankle, on your heel, going on your laces and around your mudguard. You have this color blocking, which is a stonewashed jean material, or a stonewashed jean look, and it's a cloth material with a black Nike swoosh. The black Nike swoosh is like a Durabuck or some type of nubuck. You got your black Wings logo printed on, and the top of the sneaker. This folds back. Your flap folds back, and you got that suede or Durabuck material on your around your ankle. Midsole. Your midsole is like in sail colorway with the black at the very bottom. I'm sorry, the blast black at the bottom, which leads to your outsole. Looking at your outsole, you got that blast black trim all around your outsole, and the majority of your outsole is that lime colorway. You got that lime colorway going on here on your outsole. Looking at the heel of the sneaker, I'm not sure if y'all picking up that good print. Look at the good print on the heel of the sneaker. This New Orchid colorway is animal print. You got your tab here, more of that animal print in the New Orchid colorway around your ankle, and top it off with the black Durabuck going on top of the ankle. In the part of the shoe, pretty much the same like the outside. You got that stonewashed denim look with a black denim look, and it's on some type of jean material, and you have a Durabuck black Nike swoosh. You got the orchid, your New Orchid colorway leather going on, your lace lock on your laces and your mudguard as well. Midsole, like I say, sail colorway. Black at the very bottom of the midsole was laid to the outsole. Toe box. Toe box is a nice little grain of Durabuck. It actually feels, let me see. Yeah, it feels a little better than the material used on around the ankle, but that's in your black colorway. Comes with black flat laces. Also comes with additional laces. You got your New Orchid laces, and you got your lime colored laces. Probably gonna go with the lime colored laces because I like that bright and vibrant. Boop, you heard me. Strap with your black leather, with your black flat laces all the way up. You have your tongue. Your tongue is that stonewash look, the black stonewash look, same type of material like jean material. And you have your tab. You have that New Orchid color tab sewed on with your lime, and you got Zoom Air on here instead of Nike Air. You have the exposed tongue. Starting to feel an exposed tongue a whole lot because I have that on. Normally you would see the exposed tongue on off-whites, but I've been seeing it on a couple other shoes. One in particular, these Air Max Chutneys I got, those have the exposed tongue as well. And in addition to the exposed tongue, you got the exposed heel as well. Going around your ankle collar, that's exposed as well in the lime colorway. Looking on the other side of the tongue, you got boys. So if the right shoe got boys, let's see what the left shoe got. It has Bayou. Yeah, Bayou Boys. Yes, I am from the Bayou. Okay, and we're going to get in. The shoe comes stuffed with tissue. Look at your tissue. Let's get a good look at that insole. You got a little designer insole, if y'all can see that. with zoom area in here and the lime lettering. You got your sizing sticker. And let's see if we can get a good look at that sizing tag. US size 14. Production date May 27th to July 24th of this year. So you got a couple months of production with these. Comment below. Let me know if y'all are feeling this sneaker. I'm not sure if this was a nationwide release. I know Politics was one of the first stores, Sneaker Politics that is. I know they were one of the first stores to have this sneaker. But I actually copped this from House of Hoops. Yes, I'm going to visit that House of Hoops more often. I can just walk in and get my size. Man, what a blessing. Yeah, I was too happy. Then I went and told one of my partners, and he was like, what? And the other shooter, size 13, happened to be his size. Because I messaged somebody that wore 13. They declined. Then I got with one of my other partners who also wears a size 13, and he wanted them. So he and I were talking at his job, and he was trying to see how he could get them. Long story short, he ended up getting them for retail. So, no, he actually got a discount because he works for that family. But it's all good. Let me know what y'all think of this sneaker in the comment section. If y'all ran across this shoe, would you cop? Because it also released on the Nike Plus app as well. But let me know what y'all think of the video. Continue sharing. We on our way to 2K, baby. We going to continue growing. And to end the video off, like I always tell y'all, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker. Because you never know when it will be your turn to need help to get a sneaker. I'm Titanic Feet Jack, and I'm signing out.